Welcome back, paint enthusiasts. Are your wheels looking a little tired? Tired of that dull, faded finish? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of spray paint, specifically honing in on the best spray paint for rims that'll transform your rides look effortlessly. Whether you're a DIY ninja or just want a quick refresh, we've got you covered. We'll break down the top options available, sharing tips and tricks to make your rims stand out like never before. Stick around, you won't want to miss this ultimate guide to elevating your wheels. Let's roll! Number 5. VHT Wheel Paint, the ultimate solution for car enthusiasts seeking both style and protection. This high-temp spray paint offers a stunning matte finish with eye-catching gold flakes that not only enhances the look of your wheels but also provides exceptional durability. Engineered to withstand intermittent temperatures up to 250 degrees Fahrenheit 121 degrees Celsius, it protects your wheels from chipping, cracking, and fading, ensuring they stay looking fresh and new. The innovative formula dries to the touch in just 30 minutes, no need for lengthy curing times. With its easy-to-use spray nozzle, you'll achieve maximum coverage for a long-lasting finish that keeps your wheels in top shape, whether you're cruising the streets or hitting the racetrack. This polyurethane paint is ideal for aluminum wheels, steel wheels, bow covers, and center caps, making it the best spray paint for rims on the market. Trust VHT to provide the extreme heat resistance and race-inspired coatings you need for ultimate performance and protection. Give your wheels the makeover they deserve. Number 4. EASTUP Premium Gray Wheel Paint, the ultimate solution for anyone seeking a brilliant finish for their wheels. This high-quality rim coating spray paint delivers a stunning glossy look that will turn heads everywhere you go. Engineered with exceptional durability, it resists chips, cracks, and everyday wear, ensuring your wheels remain impeccable for the long haul. No more fretting over color fading. This paint is designed to keep its vibrant hue intact, even in harsh conditions. Thanks to its quick-drying formula, you won't have to wait long to get back on the road with your freshly painted wheels. Plus, with a commitment to a healthier environment, EASTUP's formulation is free of fluorine, making it a safe choice for both you and the planet. With a wide range of color options, from classic metallics to eye-catching vivid shades, this is undoubtedly the best spray paint for rims. Transform your vehicle's appearance with EASTUP Premium Gray Wheel Paint and enjoy a stunning upgrade that lasts. Number 3. Dupli-Color HWP 104 Black High Performance Acrylic Enamel Wheel Paint. Renowned since 1938, Dupli-Color has established itself as a leader in automotive coatings, and this spray paint is no exception. Designed specifically for wheels, its fast-drying formula ensures exceptional durability and superior adhesion to steel, aluminum, and plastic surfaces. Say goodbye to unattractive, worn-out wheels. With its advanced acrylic enamel composition, this paint not only restores the look of your wheels but also provides unbeatable protection against brake dust, chemicals, heat, and chipping. The easy-to-use spray nozzle guarantees maximum coverage, allowing you to achieve a professional-looking finish from the comfort of your garage. In just 30 minutes, it dries to the touch, and you can handle your freshly painted wheels in about an hour. Perfect for customizing or dressing up your vehicle's rims, the Dupli-Color HWP 104 is undoubtedly the best spray paint for rims. Transform your tires into a striking feature of your vehicle and enjoy the attention they deserve. Are you ready to give your wheels the makeover they've been waiting for? Grab your can of Dupli-Color Wheel Spray Paint today. Number 2. NADAMOO Aluminum Wheel Spray Paint is your ultimate solution for transforming and protecting your car rims. This fast-drying modified acrylic aerosol paint offers an elegant semi-gloss black finish that rejuvenates aluminum and steel wheels while ensuring long-lasting durability. With its impressive weathering resistance, NADAMOO protects against corrosive elements like acids, alkali, salts, moisture, and harmful UV rays, keeping your wheels looking brand new. Each 13 ounces can cover a generous 10 to 12 square feet with just 2 light coats, making it not only effective but also efficient. Using NADAMOO is a breeze. Simply clean your wheels with a degreaser and apply several thin coats for a flawless finish. Dries to the touch in just 30 minutes, allowing you to enjoy your freshly painted rims sooner. Don't forget to properly clear the nozzle after use for maximum performance. For anyone searching for the best spray paint for rims, NADAMOO spray paint is the perfect choice for achieving stunning results with ease. Number 1. DipYourCar HyperDip Wheel Paint Kit, the best spray paint for rims on the market. This world-class peelable paint is engineered to outperform and outlast, providing a robust protective coat and a sleek, OEM-style finish for your wheels. With a complete DIY kit featuring 5 cans of HyperDip rim paint, enough for 4 wheels up to 21-inch, you have everything you need for a stunning makeover, including pre-dip spray and protective masking bags. HyperDip not only enhances your car's appearance, but also shields your rims from harsh elements like snow, hail, and road salts. Its innovative design allows you to customize your car's look repeatedly, with options like Brass Monkey, Piano Black, and Shadow Black. Trust over a decade of expertise from DipYourCar for a superior paint solution that fits any skill level. Enjoy a professional-grade finish at home while keeping your ride protected and stylish with HyperDip. Want to elevate your car's style effortlessly? Look no further than the DipYourCar HyperDip Wheel Paint Kit. In conclusion, choosing the best spray paint for your rims can elevate your vehicle's appearance and protect them from wear and tear. With various brands and types available, consider factors like durability, ease of application, and finish. Remember to follow proper prep work and safety precautions for the best results. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share your thoughts below. Happy painting!